Now, the accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing business transaction. In this, record means journal entries. Journal entries. Journal entries. It is the main thing is in this system there is a base of accounting. What? Base of accounting. There are two things that are base of account. There is a debit and credit. What? Number one is a debit, number second is a credit. Base of accounting in this, when anything that comes in business, that is a debit. That is debit. Anything that comes in business, what comes in business, that is a debit. And anything that goes from business is credit. That goes from the business is a credit. So debit and a credit are two things. Comes in business, that is a debit. Comes from the goes from the business, that is a credit. So here debit and a credit. Example, purchase computer 10,000. What? Purchase computer 10,000. This is any given tag comes. So one is a debit, second is a credit. Two types of effects happens. That is a debit credit of each transaction. Purchase computer 10,000. Now two things are happening. Number one, 10,000 will be paid when I purchase a computer. 10,000 will be paid. So 10,000 will be paid in cash. Anything goes here goes cash is went from goes is cash is go from the business, and that is the credit. Anything goes from the business, that is a credit. 10,000 I have to pay. So 10,000 when I have to pay, that it means that from the business I have to 10,000 I have gone. So anything goes from the business, that is a credit. And number second, the purchase computer for the 10,000. What I purchase the computer. When I purchase the computer, what it happens, computer will come into the business. When I anything purchases, it means I purchase, it means anything comes in the business, and that is the computer comes. Anything when anything purchase, like computer, here I purchase a computer. So computer comes in the business, it means it we own, and it came, it comes. So this is the debit, and here I say computer equipment is a debit. 10,000 computer. Two sides are happening, debit and credit. Computer equipment debit 10,000, car cash 10,000 credit. So anybody, this is the I say two things are important in each transaction, debit and credit. In this transaction, debit was anything that comes, computer comes here. So when I purchase anything, if I want to purchase furniture will come into the business, and what it went, cash will gone, cash will go. So cash will be unavailable from the business, and that will be the 10,000 credit. So here these two things I give the example. This is the same case. These are the same transactions are made in each debit and credit each side. Each effect is present here. Accounting equation is clear in this system. So it will, before going to going this transaction, it is important to review this. Any receipt means revenue. Receipts receivable will be the assets. Receivables will be the assets. For example, notes receivable, commission receivable from anybody. I have to receivable commission in 1 year, in 6 months. So it will be our asset. Any receivables will be the assets, whether notes receivable, commission receivable, rent receivable. These are the assets, and receipts are the incomes. So incomes are assets, will be the incomes and assets. So Paid means expenses. Paid means expenses. Receivable will always asset. Paid will be expenses. Anything paid. For example, salary is paid. Salary is paid for 30,000 means I have done the expenses. Expenditures means any expenses, expenditures on anything, to buy, to purchase, to buy the services, to buy the product, that is the expenditures. So expenses, for there were the two types of expenses I describe here, two types of expenditures: direct expenses and indirect expenditure. Direct expenditures are those expenditures which are traceable with the product, which are traceable for the with the product or research. These are the direct expenses. Indirect expenses like fuel, like salaries, like office rent, these are the indirect expenses. So here I give you the example that these are the paid expenses. And now payables. What about the payables? If any transaction about the payables, rent payables, notes payables, salaries payables, or account payables, these are the liabilities. Anybody have this in the company or the government have to pay these liabilities ever any there. So liabilities were in the form of the company. It is very important to see that these payables are not payable into the company due to the limited liability. So these are the entries like a received cash flow, received cash from the Bakar. It was account receivable first of all, 15,000 Bakar purchase on credit, so it increased. I received against 15,000. Why received account receivable? That were receivable by 15,000 Bakar. I received it came. It received for why? Because account receivable was present to the Bakar, so that is why received cash from the Bakar. Entry comes received cash from Bakar. Suddenly check was presented from the Bakar, there 15,000 are to you, for example. So this 15,000 were paid for the this, and debit cash happens to the debit 15,000, account receivable credit 15,000. Now these are the entries you can judge and view. Now view chapter wise solutions, illustration, practice. Now practice topics, illustration, chapter wise. View, solve and process. 6 books, practice 6 books. Already 4 books, 6 books. Topic as much as you will practice, not only for these transactions, but for the journal entries. Journal entries have two types: standard and skeleton form. Ledger have 3 types: T-shape and standard form of ledger and self-balancing ledger. These are simply easy and very easy. And trial balance, you have to see, view and look this, and after this illustration, after looking illustration, viewing illustration, you have to practice. I also will give you direction also, and also practice along with trial balance. After that, recording, journal entries, ledger, and after ledger, trial balance is necessary. After that, income statement and balance sheet will be done. Now this was the corporate accounting. Corporate accounting is that accounting. Here I give you just example what it happens any government, any factory, any factory company, whether it is a government entity or private entity. So it is a government entity or private entity. It done it do the sale, sold merchandise on cash or credit sales. For example, so for example, now the corporate accounting is net sales profit. Corporation's profit is a direct relationship with the sales, and here if net sales return, sales discount will be minus, so we get the net sales. When net sales, after the net sales, all the cost will be minus to get the gross profit. What is cost, and how that will be the calculated cost sheet. So find out income statement, we must have net sales from the invoice, the volume what the volume of the products, for example multiforms, and for example toothpaste. All these 1000 toothpaste have been sold daily wise, so its price will be multiplied by price. Why this is, we are calculating for the five stakeholders. I already told you. Number one, government for the taxes. Number two, employees for their services and for their perks for the employees. Number third, creditors for their credit. Number four, investors or owners, investors. Another name, the final name is the shareholders. Shareholders want the corporate owners or shareholders is the same name. They want their high profits, maximize their value of the corporations. So they know their profits, their sales, their cost of goods, so cost to cost control, to maximum sales, to maximum profit. So to reduce the salary, the office rents. So these are the multiple head of accounts which are used in the daily basis, but their correct and the organizational way of their income statement calculation is this. When we calculate net sales, it comes to the cost of goods sold. What is the cost, total cost? So this is the cost sheet. This is the cost sheet. Opening raw materials, or opening raw materials purchases, opening raw material which we have initially in the factory. When do we open the operations, or when do we open the company, we have the raw material available raw material, and this is our purchases. So we add it in the raw material. It comes to the raw material, it will add, and this is the cost of the this is the total cost. We calculate the cost. So less purchase return, this is the minus sign, less purchase return discount. So it comes to the net purchases raw material available for use, closing raw material. When we close operations, this is a closing raw material used, direct labor used, direct expenses used. This is the prime cost. This is the major cost which we major expenditures are these in the production in the factories. So this is the FOH, and this is the opening work, and this is the calculation of cost of goods sold. So you can describe. After this, we have less cost of goods sold. Here we are calculating the cost of, after the closing finished goods, we have cost of goods sold, that is V minus from the net sales. The less cost of goods sold, we have a gross profit. After the operating expenses are a minus, so these are calculated after their minus. We do minus from it, we get the earning before income and taxation, EBIT. Earning before income and taxation less this interest. If we have a cost of financing cost or cost of capital, we receive. After that, earning before taxes will be comes, so taxes will be reduced. These are the corporate income taxes which do we calculate in this. Every business calculate this cost of taxes, and these income statement, and these are available at the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan for every company. So taxes, and these are their presence in their record. The profit, and this is the net profit. Dividend will be paid to the employees. They have a shares. Different shareholders will be available to the dividend, and this is with the preferred income. After the earnings available to the common stockholder, that will be comes to the balance sheet. So here we calculated this simply. The now this is the our simply this was the corporate accounting. Now this is the government accounting. In government accounting, what do we have? We have a bank accounts. What we have a bank account, 5 federal, one. For example, here we have a I have a simple the school. I have simple and a school. So in a school have a bank account. In bank account, the budget will come from which I will make the expenses there. That will be known as, in the budget there are the two things. Number one is the cash receipts. Number one will be the cash payments. So number one will be the payments. Number second will be the receipts. Those receipts are known as the taxes, and receipts are known as the budget. DDO code is the that account is that bank account is known as the DDO code. So these are the DDO codes are for the first of all, if a country is there, if there is a country, so Pakistan has a DDO code, Pakistan, with the name of the Pakistan, and from which the budget is passed to the different provinces. 4 provinces are available. So 4 provinces have different DDO codes in which the budget is transferred. After the budget is transferred into those accounts, bank accounts. So these bank accounts, every province sent their to their ministries. What? To their ministries, and after the ministries, they to their department, district basis departments, and each of the bank accounts will be the bank accounts are either the provinces are shared to the bank account to the district account and MNAs as well. So the district basis, their colleges, their schools, their departments are so bank have a bank accounts. From that bank account, they provide their incomes are come towards their account, these accounts, and their expenses are occurred in also these accounts. So this is the simple their DDO codes and budget. This is the government accounting. And after mostly in the budget we have the vouchers. What? What do we first of all we have a DDO code. DDO code contain the budget, what the annually or quarterly or biannually you have to expense it. And after that, if anybody expense any of the expenses, those have vouchers. Those vouchers contain. So it is not necessary to have a lot of transactions in it. So it have also check and balance. It has also check and balance. So it is good. It is a game of the plus minus only. This is the software assets, capital liabilities, expenses, proprietor. So this is the government accounting. If for example received a check will come into the bank asset bank, and after that paid salaries. Here bank 40,000 paid salaries means expenses 40,000. Your cash will be minus from 40,000 salaries. So these are the transactions on which, these are the vouchers transactions on which this software will be the comes in each of the transaction. So each of the department. Now this is the major accounts are audit is important, and these major accounts are prepared before, and this is the after that we do have this banking accounting. In the banking accounting there are the basically 3 to 4 of the important things you have to see. Check payment, for remittance paid, cash paid. These are the first is this is the credit side, this is the debit side. All these will be the incorporated into the basically there are the 4 things into the payments and 3 things into the receipts. 4 things, for example, check payment, cash payment, and fund transfer, ATM. This is the payment side. And receipt side, there is the cash received, bank check received, cash received. These are the ATM from fund transfer. This is the 4th, and along with 4 and 3, these are other entries, and daily basis entries are occurs. So these entries will be the on the basis of entries. I have also the 3 pages account software also. That is very important to making the transactions very easy. These are the banking transactions. All the transactions are contributed into the 5 financial statements that are number one. The number one is the finance. Number one income statement. Number second balance sheet. Number third capital statement, that is also known as owner's equity. Number fourth is cash flow statement. Number 5 is the notes. Here project accounting contains the major expenditures and major revenues and major expenses, expected major revenues and expected major expenses. In this project accounting, what the thing is either we calculate the projected income. Basically we calculate the major expenditures. What are the expenditures have to be done. Now we have to make the target or project how to calculate this, how to accomplish this within the targeted goal. Or major expenditure, major incomes are produced, major expenditures are the produced. So major expenditures are controlled in the proper way, so that our goal of the main project accounting to accomplish. For example, any village gas project is allocated. Any country, any province have for example, any project is to be allocated to the, for example, any franchise is established into the any city. So these are the projects are happening into the projects are coming towards the session. So these are the simply the points. Now here we have to see. Now this is a from the now practice topics. Illustrations. Basically the illustrations are present in every book. In every book, view their chapter wise, view them, solve them. Solved illustrations are also solve them and verify it from the solved illustrations. And practice 3 to 4 books, especially 4 to 6 books, big and large, and special in looking great, looking great wise. So these are the, this is the very important. Now this is the form of the, this is the from the beginning easy and repeated theory of the accounts. Now I am going towards the very begin from the very beginning accounts repeated pages that are very important to you, line by line. 4 pages are very line by line. I don't talking these. I only displayed you to remember it from the very beginning, to remind, to repeat it, to repeat yourself in the very beginning. Here is now this is a one page. What is commerce? This is a simplified, and this is the accounting. Commerce is the second name of the business. After the business, we know the business policies and commerce policies are studied in this chapter. For example, about taxes, budget, economic accounts, financials. These are the so this is the accounting. This is the accounting theory is starting from here. This is the second page. In financial, what are the financial statements? Collectively known, collectively, this is a partnership, capital, profit. Partnership is maintained in the way of the sole proprietorship. Only difference is in this capital barabar profit minus drawing basic. This was already told in the previous session also. This is the collectively known. This is the balance sheet. Here assets, liabilities are jotted down each individual from all the head of accounts of the books. Books. And this is the income statement, revenue minus. This was the first. This is present into the annual report of the every company, online as well as online on the company's websites are to the books. Also it also comes into the books. Balance sheet, they review how current assets and fixed assets are added each other, and liabilities and proprietorship on the other hand. Stockholders are these, and this is the base of the account, 5 head of account. This is separately done. This is the book of bookkeeping and accounting, debit, credit, and all these things. Exchange two sides, debit, credit, and this is the annual report. Types of assets, types of expenses, types of liability, balance sheet में in the what is in the balance sheet, what is into the income statement, and this is and these are the topics which you have to see in your books as well. These are the simple topics. Lengthy topics are into the this is the basic topics. These are the basic topics are present in these. These will be the reviewed by you into the books also. These are the illustrations are necessary for you to calculate. Here the types of businesses: sole proprietorship, partnership, and these are cash management, credit management, capital budgeting, and this is the analysis of cash flow statement. Now when do we have a cash flow statement? Cash flow statements are present into the annual report of every company on the website. So now its analysis comes, and we have a page about it. What is about the where is their page? So this is for you also. It is not necessary to keep myself or keep anybody on the view that accumulate hoard money from it. This is means once time a cash entry, cash and capital. It means liability. It means ownership. Cash comes with the ownership. It means ownership always gives us the cash. Any ownership entry will give the asset with the ownership always bring to the asset. For example, like sometimes cash, sometimes bank, but I think many times the cash will comes into the ownership. So these are the sometimes cash, sometimes liability occurs. So these are the there as in analysis also present how this occurs here and previous analysis. Thank you very much for giving the time and necessary. I squeeze and inshallah you will provided 3 4 lectures are available there. My name is Arif Mustafa. Inshallah you will get benefit from it. This is the very important for you saying thank you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.